In the name of God, hello my dear friends, I'm Rosa and today I'm going to teach you how to make this cloud knotted pillow. Subscribe to my channel and like the video, watch it completely to see how do I make it. Ask any question in comments, I will answer it very soon. What do we need? The fabric that I use is a stretchy thick velvet as you see, some polyester fibers, polyca pipe, a cane and these two. Okay, the braid is ready. The length of the braid is 3 meters and a half. Now I want to tie it in front of you. Pay attention carefully. Okay, I finished the tie and now I'm going to organize it so that the swing seams are hidden, and then I will sew this head and tail together. I will sew it in front of you. Watch the video with me. Okay, it's done. I sew these two together and cover it with a leather. As you see, it's so easy to make. Make it at home and enjoy having that. Thank you for watching.